I will see that whose plant is the best. The one who will have the most beautiful plant will be the next king.
They went back and planted the seeds and took the best care of the seeds for 6 months.
After 6 months, two brothers had beautiful plants in their pots with lovely flowers. The youngest brother's pot was planted, although he came for the best and took the best care.
He saw his brother's plans and was very sad. He was worried of what he would show to his father.
After 6 months, the king called his sons to show the plants.
Look, father, how beautiful our plants are.
Said the sons who had flowers in the pots.
Where is your plant?
My pot is empty, my dear father. I am really sorry. I tried my best, but no plants were in my pot.
No, you should not be sorry. The seeds I gave to you and your brothers were dead and useless. Your brothers lied to me. The plants they are from other seeds.
When they thought that their plants were not growing, they have planted another seeds in their pots. But you are honest and told me the truth. And the best quality of the king is that he should be honest.
So, my dear son, you are the successor of the throne.